What new feature has been confirmed for the Galaxy A56? Great question. The Galaxy A56 has been confirmed to support NFC near-field communication. This means you'll be able to make contactless payments with your phone, just like with Samsung Pay or Google Pay. NFC support is officially certified, and the approval number MTA-LORSOR 05323 is valid until December 2027, so it's safe to say that this phone will be ready to handle your payments seamlessly. What software will the Galaxy A56 run on? This is a good one. The Galaxy A56 will come with Android 15, based on Samsung's latest One UI 7 skin. This is a huge deal because it'll be one of the first mid-range phones to ship with One UI 7 straight out of the box. With Android 15, you'll get all the latest features and improvements, giving the A56 a more polished and smooth experience right from day one. What are the standout features of One UI 7 on the Galaxy A56? Let's break it down. There are a few really cool features in One UI 7 that I'm excited about. First, we've got the Now bar. This is Samsung's version of iOS Live Activities, and it displays real-time information right on your lock screen. Whether it's the song you're playing, a timer, or even your running stats, you can expand the Now bar to see more details. It's super useful and adds that extra flair to the user experience. Next up is the vertical launcher drawer. This has been a highly requested feature, and it's finally here. You can now scroll through your apps vertically, which is a nice change if you're used to a more fluid and dynamic layout. If you prefer the traditional horizontal pages, don't worry, you can switch it back in the settings. Another cool feature is the redesigned stock icons. The icons have been revamped with vibrant colors and a more rounded design, making them both fun and easy to distinguish. They still maintain that clean, polished Samsung aesthetic, but with a fresh twist. Lastly, the new Quick Settings panel is a big improvement. It's now separate from your notifications, making it much cleaner and less cluttered. Plus, there's a sleek blur effect in the background that gives it a modern look and feel. What hardware will power the Galaxy A56? The Galaxy A56 will be powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset. This is a significant upgrade from previous models and promises smooth performance across the board. With the Exynos 1580, you'll be getting great performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running intensive apps. Plus, it comes with the Exynos 540 GPU, which means better graphics and enhanced AI features for even smarter user experience. Will the Galaxy A56 have improved connectivity? Absolutely! The Galaxy A56 will come with Bluetooth 5.4, which is an upgrade over the Galaxy A55's Bluetooth 5.3. With Bluetooth 5.4, you'll experience more reliable connections, faster pairing, and improved power efficiency. Whether you're using wireless earbuds, connecting a Galaxy Smart Tag, or syncing a Galaxy Watch, this improved Bluetooth version will ensure your devices stay connected more reliably than ever before. Are there any design changes we should be aware of? Yes, there is a new design language for the Galaxy A56. Samsung is setting the phone apart from the flagship S series with a fresh, new look. Expect a more modern aesthetic that's both sleek and functional. The overall design focuses on creating a balance of style and durability, giving you a premium feel even though it's a mid-range device. It's definitely a step up from the previous Galaxy A models. How does the Galaxy A56 compare to other mid-range smartphones? Great question! The Galaxy A56 is really raising the bar for mid-range smartphones in 2025. Not only does it come with a newer Exynos 1580 chipset and support for NFC and Bluetooth 5.4, but it's also one of the first mid-range devices to ship with One UI 7, which is a big deal. We're talking about flagship-level features like the Now bar and the vertical launcher drawer, plus a smooth, customizable experience, all packed into an affordable price. It's going to compete with and possibly outperform many other mid-range phones on the market. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be a fantastic phone with tons of cool features. From NFC support to the latest software, and even the Exynos 1580 chipset for smooth performance, it looks like this phone will offer a lot of value for the price. What do you think? Are you excited about these updates? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Check out our latest videos right here.